Morning. It's day 2 of the Winton Matsuri. Colder than yesterday. It's freezing.
I look nice, but it's freezing.
Yeah, but that sun feels amazing. All the drone pilots are up early this morning. G'day everyone.
What's up? How you feeling?
I'm good. It's just cold. Look at this thing. Look at the controls on this freaking thing.
I only use these ones.
That's it.
Only the sticks.
What are all the rest for?
If you want to fly planes or something.
Oh, yeah, right. Oh, so the first session's meant to be at 9 o'clock, and that's Group A. And it's 10 past 9. We're only just done briefing. The guys are still on track checking to make sure there's no... I don't even know what they check for, but anyway. There's some dust on the lens. So yeah, I've only got 6 tyres left for today. So I'll sit the first session out and then probably miss the last one. But that's all I can do. Can't do anything about it. We got some very cheap triangles, so that'll be interesting. race done. We just used Tri-Aces. These bad boys for the first time ever. They're fit for a racing king apparently. They're actually really good. They only last 2 laps, but they're good. The third one was just greasy as, but no, 2 laps and we should have enough for Queensland, eh, Chop?
Bonza!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Chunga.
I think Jake Jones' corner.
Well, at least he didn't do as much damage as Jake Jones.
Thankfully.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I borrowed the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a problem.
Not my car. But I'm gonna fix it somewhat.
You'll be right, mate. You'll be right. You'll be back before you know it.
That's it.
Maybe.
Cars save lives.
Wow. So what? Same thing? Just gripped up, hit the clip.
Yeah. Ran out of power. Front gripped up, understeered, and then just.
Yep. Exactly the same that happened to me. And just so you know, we'll do a replay.
That's it. I'm a really good driver, so if I did it, that would make sense that Jake did it as well.
Thanks, Chunga. I appreciate that, man. Cheers, bro. Chunga's a good egg. Even though he crashed, he's still in good spirits, so it's pretty rare in this current day and age, I guess. Even I was super bummed. So that's Winton Matsuri wrapped up. It was an awesome weekend, and we got some incredible footage thanks to this man himself, Justin, the magic drone flying ninja. And of course his new colleagues. You guys are not based in Australia, are you?
Well, they are now.
Oh, you are now?
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Wow, so it's a whole team.
That's it.
You'll have 3 drones following you soon.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's good. I can tell that you're like getting more used to having the drone follow you.
Yeah, yeah.
It's funny how like I can see straight, like as soon as you put your hand out the window at the end and you're like. That's it.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, okay.
We've got it dialed.
The
Oh,
communications.
and I also caught it today.
Caught it, yeah.
I
Yeah,
caught
that's
it.
true.
And then, yeah, you had some issues keeping up with it?
Yeah, keeping up. So I mean, I don't know for sure how fast my drone goes, but I think it's like around 140-ish. So following you through the sweeper, especially in that last session when you had decent tyres on.
Yeah.
I was just, my throttle stick was just sitting at 100% and your car's just like disappearing.
That's nuts.
So ground speed must have been like over 160, easily over 160.
We'll just cut to that real quick. So a little snippet to show you.
Now we're back.
But no, alright, let's wrap it up. Thanks heaps, man.
All right.
Appreciate it so much. Thanks, guys. And yeah, it's going to be a race to see who gets their footage out first, but I think Justin's going to win. Alright, I better get to Queensland. Alright, guys. Peace.